All right, what's up, everybody? So, first things first, I changed my name for the YouTube channel just to Joseph Perez Codes because I figured that eventually I won't be a code noob no more. So, that didn't seem like, for longevity's sake, that would be uh, the best name in the world. So, I just went for something a little bit more simpler. So, you guys might have noticed that. But as well, I kind of just wanted to hop into while I'm on my lunch break from class and just kind of discuss a little bit of what I've been over so far. Um, I've went through. We started with JavaScript, um, and we've went through. Uh, JavaScript 1, which went through kind of the basics like functions, conditionals, unit testing, loops, arrays, objects, and messing with the BOM and DOM. And we've created a few web pages. Well, we went all the way up through like the objects uh, part of that and saved the BOM and DOM until we went through the HTML, CSS. So we went through stuff like learning how to do forms and HTML elements and the CSS. We learned a lot like box modeling. We learned Flexbox. We also learned Bootstrap and how to do media queries. Then we came back to the BOM and DOM, and in between there, we created multiple levels of different types of websites. And of course, as we went on, things got better and better. Then last week we started to learn jQuery, and this week we've been learning how to do AJAX requests, and that's kind of where we're at today. And I found that to be kind of difficult. Not difficult in the sense that I don't understand it at all, or that not necessarily going to be able to do it, but difficult in the sense that it's kind of one of these things where the way they're teaching it right now is they're kind of giving a little bit of the information because we do have enough to kind of figure it out on our own, and just seeing if we are at a point where for some of the stuff we can kind of figure it out on our own without having someone have to tell us this. And one reason why they give us a couple of these assignments every so often that's this way is so this is just helping to provide those type of skills with everything that's going on and personal issues in life that's going to be to provide those type of skills with everything that's going on and personal issues in life that's gone on recently. I felt this first is a bad time for one of those type of. We're soon going to start working on our website to get them ready by the time we graduate. I do believe JavaScript 2, which kind of goes over a little bit more of like ES6 in depth things like RESTful API requests, promises, and some other stuff like that. And then from there, we're going to kind of transition. I do know that we will have 3 sections of of another programming language that we'll go into, and then a database language, and then we will learn a framework for that other programming language. And then I think we will move into like kind of like final group projects or something from that point. But so that's still about like 6 or 5 separate sections that we will be going over on our own. One of the classes that was already going on when we got here, they just started working on their final graduation project. I am very happy with the boot camp so far, and proud to say that so far, and this was mainly because I had to miss one day, so attendance counted off for me, and then on one of my quizzes, I got one question wrong, but my overall grade so far is I think it was a 97.6, which I'm very happy with. Definitely very proud of myself for that. But just kind of wanted to go over, give an update, and kind of like going over what we're learning. For any of you guys that do come by see the video, I'd love to hear about what you're learning as well in the comments below. And if you have any questions or more in detail of like what I've been going over, and uh, my comfortability with the skills that I've learned so far, how that is, I can definitely make another video and go more in depth into that. But I just kind of wanted this to be a little bit of a shorter update and not go too long. I know my last video, which was kind of my first one back in a while, was about 40 minutes. Trying to keep this one under 10 minutes. But out here enjoying summer, getting here in Texas. So definitely trying to soak some of that up and getting the kiddos and the family out and doing some stuff as well in the free time. But outside that, I hope everybody has a great week and is looking forward to the next video. Let me know what you'd like to see in the comments below.